Toy Soldier 118's, TS118's dynamic modular diorama. We'll have another setup tomorrow morning, entirely different from this one. So every now and then we change our display. So this is our day one, second setup, Obra Jungle diorama. We have here some range vipers. We have a warthog here, a couple of range vipers, 25th anniversary. We have some foliage and some trees. We have here a stream. Instead of real water, we have setting lotion. So actually smells good. Here, setting lotion. Try it out. Setting lotion. And we have here a couple of stingers. Cobra bunker with Resolute Troopers. Some red Resolute Troopers somewhere here. And if you're wondering what contraption am I taking a video of, it's actually the star of the show. It's a vintage Terror drone, 1980s. There you go. Owned by one of our TS118 members, Daniel Gojeta. Shoutouts to him for sharing the Terror drone. We have here a Stinger. Another view. We have here another Stinger coming out of the Terror drone. And the view, a view on the top of the Terror drone, we have here Dr. Mindbender with some Televipers. And then we have here Resolute Destro. And what else do we have here? Yeah, we have Resolute Cobra Commander with Serpentor and a captured Sergeant Slaughter. Farther downstream, we have a Sting Raider, aka Water Moccasin, with Copperhead. Some more range vipers. It's actually kind of hard to get some range vipers, but we were able to pull some. So we have about 12 or so range vipers here.
We're very rich.
Yeah, we have kind of rich. We bought 12 sets. We have here Crockmaster, custom base for the Trouble Bubble. Got some real fire coming out of the Trouble Bubbles. Another Cobra bunker. We have a Hidden Mickey. We have here Hellboy. Let's see Hellboy. Hellboy is hiding somewhere in the bushes. And the jungle attack report. So guess that's it. I almost forgot. We have here some JoeCon exclusive Crimson Vipers. Yeah, those shiny chrome-based Crimson Vipers. There you go. Another. Yes, we have Firefly, the usual. Steel Brick, Vince. Yeah. Bowie 2PH. Conundrum. So that's it. Another view of the Terror drone. Thank you so much for viewing. TS118 strong. Whoa.